So putting together the box right here, that's the EcoFlow box that you can install next to the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3. And the way it connects is down here. You got the power going through it there from up there, and then you got the comms data there, and then there's a little cable here, and that little data cable goes to the back of that panel, and that kind of wraps up the installation of the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3. So really awesome, beautiful box. I love the quality of it. You can see the cover that's going to be right there, and then the door is just gorgeous. And this is going to be part of this whole ecosystem connected to this EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X, providing 12 kilowatt hour of output. And that smart panel right there, that's a 200 amp 32 circuit smart home panel, and this thing is able to power and start up every circuit in your home, and no soft start is required. And something like this can be ready in as little as 7 days. Basically, you schedule your installer, they come to install it, and like right here, these guys were able to do it in 1 day. They knocked it out. 2 people came, they did the installation, they replaced my sub panel right there, they put in this EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3, and there's no roof work needed. And if you want to use solar, you can run solar directly into the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. That way, your solar is technically not grid tied because it's just tied to your battery, and then your battery is then connected to your smart home panel through that box, and then it's all working because it's all smart and all connected together. And that way, you can install solar panels on the outside of your home if your area allows for it without any roof mount installation. So really cool. And the fact that this is totally modular blows my mind, because if I need to move, yes, this smart home panel can stay here, but I can take the batteries with me, and I can go camping, I can take the batteries with me, and it's fully upgradable. I can add more batteries, I can add multiple more EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra units and still be able to use the smart home panel because I can connect up to 3 of them in there. It's awesome. And I can add a lot of solar. That's another upgrade that the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X has over the previous version, is now you can have even more solar. I haven't even looked at where the solar input comes in, but there's definitely more solar now than before. And yeah, right here, these are the solar input right there, and they even have a box for your solar right here. So you're able to do your solar disconnect. And one of the complaints of the previous version was that there was a disconnect that was actually on the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra unit, and that if it ever broke, then you would have to send the whole unit back to EcoFlow to service. But now, because it's on a unit by itself, this is easily swap outable. Anyway, this is the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X, and we are wrapping up the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 installation right there. That's 200 amps, 32 circuit with this breakout box right here to connect the battery. This thing is gonna be crazy.